Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Nasuha Binti Shamas, and I'm the leader of Group 5. Okay, today I want to present our project, which it is we pick or we choose car rental project. So we had done our project, and then I want to present as well. So for example, like we made like login system for customer and customer register and also car register, and after that customer can go exit the system, or they want to go back to the car register or the customer register again. Okay, so I want to show. Okay, I will run the login first. Okay, so for the login, I put our teammates name and also matrix number. For example, like my name is Fatin, right? And then my password, which I put here, my matrix number. Okay, so I will log in. Okay, after the customer login, the coding will go to the customer details, which it is customer register. So customer will put their name, phone number, and so on. Okay, I will test the customer register with input the customer name first. For example, like I put my name, for example, Fatin Nasuha, and then my phone number. Okay, then female, my age is 21, and my customer ID, for example, I want to have A1. Okay, and then my city, which is by Lepas, and this is my address. I input my address here. Okay, Bayan Lepas. Okay, then I will go to save button and save my input these details. Okay, so it will appear my ID, my name, my phone, gender, and so on. So I will display. Okay, here this is the mention of the uh, details of the customer, which it is mentioned ID here, customer name, so you can know the details of the customer here. Okay, for example, I want to put another customer. For example, I want to put Khairul Amin. Okay, phone number. Okay, so male, gender. Age, I want to put 34, and customer ID, I want to put A3. Okay, then select your city. I will go here. Okay, so the address Villas Gelugor 24. Okay, I will click the save button, and then I will display. Okay, here you can see the state, gender, address, age, phone number, customer name, and also ID appear in this text area. So, okay, I will input one more to make it clear. Okay, Aiman Fikri, for example. Okay, male. 32, 32, okay. Customer ID A5, for example. So, balik pula, Kampung Sungai, Sungai Busa. Okay, save and then display. Okay, you can see here. Okay, for example, I want to search ID. Okay, first I will reset all of this. So you can see here clear. So, for example, I want to search ID of Khairul Amin. Okay, so Khairul Amin, which is A3. I want to know about Khairul Amin details only. So I will search ID, and then Khairul Amin details will appear at the text display here. Okay, you can see it. Right, so we display again, and then if you want to delete, okay, for example, I want to delete A1, okay, just input ID here and then delete, okay, and then the system will show the message the record has been deleted. Okay, display again. So it left only 2 customers. So reset. Okay, I will tell about the button update by name. Okay, for example, I want to change Aiman Fikri address. Okay, I want to change. So just type his name here. Phone number is 102 480. Okay, male 32 IT 5. Okay, balik pulau, right? So I want to change the address for Sungai Pinang, lot 3. Okay, I will update by name and then just display the output that I input at the address here. So it will change lah at the address. Okay, after that we had done our customer details and register. So we want to go to register car. So just click at the button and it will go to the register car register for automatic car. Okay, so here we have 4 cars. Okay, we have Nissan Almera, Serena, and so on. So for example, I want to have Nissan Almera. Okay, ID register, I want to put X10. Okay, status, maybe I put book. And then rain date, I put 4 July until 30 July. So location, maybe I pick at Lukor, and drop location, I will be at Balik Pulau. So I want to calculate the total pay, and we have done on our project for calculation also for the calculate of the rent of the car. So calculate total pay, so RN 540 for the this date. Okay, so just click save and then just display. Okay, see here we have ID, car model, and so on. Status, you can see we have already booked the Nissan Almera and so on. So if you want to have a Nissan Serena, okay, for example, we have a Nissan Serena here. Okay, ID register, we put X30. Okay, status, maybe we can see the available. We can put the available. Maybe Nissan Serena was available at 19 until 22. Okay, so location, we just put Jelutong and maybe Bayan Baru lah. So just calculate the total, which is RM 720. So just display. And also save first and then display. Okay, so you can see here X10 ID for Nissan Almera, ID for Nissan Serena, which is X30. Okay, so we reset first. If you want to search ID for Nissan Almera, which is X10, just search ID, just click the search ID button, then it will appear all the data of the Nissan Almera ID of X10 here. Okay, and after that you can display again. Okay, so Nissan Serena will appear. Okay, so if you want to input another car register, okay, for example, we have Nissan Serena here, and then we put the ID register X30. Okay, so I put here available at 20 July until 22 July. Then pick location, which is Jelutong, and drop location at Balik Pulau. So I will click the calculate total pay, and then it will appear RM 480. So I will click save and then I display here. Okay, I will explain about the update status. Okay, for example, we want to update status of X10. Okay, X10 ID, which is Nissan Almera. So I want to put here unavailable. Okay, so just reset and extend, we put here Nissan Almera, so unavailable at 20 until 20, for example. And then location, just put maybe I don't want to put anything because it wasn't available, right? So calculate total pay, and it is RN0 because the Nissan Almera was unavailable. Just click update status and then you just display. So the display will update for the Nissan Almera ID extend. It will go status unavailable. Okay, you can see here. Okay, for example, reset again, and then you want to delete X30, for example. Okay. And then it will delete the X30s. So it's leave the Nissan Almera only. Okay, that's all for the car register. You can also pick Nissan Tiana, Renat Capture, and so on. Okay, and then when you have done register your customer name, your phone number, so on, and then you go to the car register, you already pick your car to rent, and then you want to exit, just click exit. Okay, this is exit. Okay, if you want to go to login page, just go to the login page. And if you want to go to customer register, just go to customer register, and then this is to car register here, and then this is exit system. Okay, for example, I want to pick exit system. So if I pick here, I click the exit system, it will close all the system here. Okay, for example, I want to go to customer register, it will appear customer register. If you want to go to the car register, it will appear car register. Okay, so if you want to exit system, it will exit the system. Okay, so that's all, and I want to, okay, this is our coding for login. You can see here we put our username and our matrix number. So it is customer. Okay, we have save action, display, and so on. This is the reset. Okay, reset text. For example, if you use the radio button, you need to have false to reset the radio button of gender. Okay. This is a customer operation. Alright, so I think that's all from me, and I hope this our project can be a good one for your requirements, and I hope you have done to see our project, and I bet it's run successfully, and I also hope that if any mistake you can just confirm with me, and inshallah I hope all the best for us. Thank you, sir. I appreciate what you had done for us, teach us, listen, and yeah, thank you so much, sir. This is our project car rental. Okay, thank you, and assalamualaikum.